Hello, this is the Faithful Planner Girl, and welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thank you. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and you'll be able to see some other videos that I may be posting in the near future, kind of like this one. And everyone, please remember to hit that like button. That will really help me get this channel up there for others to see as well. So thank you. Okay, I have been asked, how do I use my die cuts? I shared a haul just the last time, and my haul was from Dayspring, and it showed some of these die cuts, ephemera, that I had purchased. So these are the little die cuts. And today I thought I'd show you in my Bible how exactly I use these. So these little ephemera, these die cuts are they have little prompts on the back. This is this one. It's called Animals that I will be using today. And yeah, a lot of them have, all of these, most of them, they all have these little scriptures on the back. That kind of guides you. The ones that come from Illustrated Faith. It guides you to maybe know exactly where to start. But I've already been in my Bible. You can see some past videos. If you search my playlist, you may see some Bible studies that I've been doing. I'm in Ezekiel right now, so I thought this would be a great one for me to remember. And things that really I want to stand out so I can flip through later on, coming back to remembering what I had studied. And I am in Ezekiel 36 for this one, and this is a devotional that is in my She Reads Truth Bible. So I thought I'd just share with you how I do this. Now with this die cut, it's a little bit big. I don't like to hide up words in this Bible. I have another one that I do hide some just for art journaling. But you can make this any way you want to. So go ahead and cut them up. Do whatever speaks to you that can make this work in your Bible. So this is how I'm going to do mine. Give you a little example, because you can play around with them. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit better on just this page here. So you can see a little bit better. Here at the top, I will be just playing around, like I said. I'm going to take these die cuts and I'm going to make them work for me because these were sticking way out of the page. I don't mind if there's a little bit, but this has been my traveling Bible this year, and I don't want them to stick out too much because they always seem to get really messed up. They get hit and bumped, and like I said, because I take it all over the place with me. But yeah, just play around and see where you would like them to go. And once you get it figured out, then I just adhere them with either a sticky adhesive, or sometimes I'll just use a glue stick, which I think that's what I have today right next to me, so that's probably what I will do. I just play around with them just to see which way I really want them to go. That's too far, but I could cut off a wing off of this one to make it fit a little bit better. So that's what I think I'll do. I'm just going to trim it off right here. And yep, didn't trim it off well enough. Do it again. Okay, so I'm going to add this one right here. And like I said, today I just have a glue stick. So that's all I'm going to do is glue it up and add it onto my page, just like that. This one is a good one today because it is talking about a new heart. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you. I will remove your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. I will place my spirit within you and cause you to follow my statutes and carefully observe my ordinances. This is found in Ezekiel 36:26 through 27. So that's where I'm at, and that's why I found these die cuts to work. Be transformed. I thought that's great, like the butterflies transform, you know. So I'm going to put these up there as well. And this is just how I do it, to add it into my Bible so I can come back and find what I was studying. Now I'm doing this after the fact. I just remembered I need to cut this little trim. I think it would look a little bit better, give me some more room there. I should have done that before I glued. But anyways, okay. And I'm going to add that right there so it can sit down a little bit more. And let's take this last little butterfly. I'm going to do it right there. Now you can put them on top of each other. You can move them where they won't stack up, but sometimes I like to layer things. So, whoops, don't want him flying upside down. You could, but I don't want to. So there we go. Okay, and I found a little heart here. So there's my butterflies on the top. I found a little heart, so that was perfect because I will give you a new heart. So I think I'll place this down at the bottom. I like it shaping on this way. You can go either way you want. And then I found another little butterfly. This is all from that same kit under Animals from Illustrated Faith. This is what all of them came out of, this little bunch. I don't know if I shared that earlier, but I just wanted to let you know what was all in this bunch here. Okay, so I'm going to add these on here just like that. And like I said, see, they all have scriptures that you can follow along and it will help guide you where you want, but you don't have to use them that way. I normally don't. I just find something that goes with whatever I am reading for the day. And this will remind me about the newness that God will give us. A new heart. Sometimes, you know, we lose that newness when we first met and learned about Christ. Sometimes that's what this devotional is going over. It's very good. Like I said, I'm in the She Reads Truth Bible. And I really enjoy these. I've been learning and reading this all this year. It's been very interesting to me. But whatever Bible you have, you can be doing the same thing. I just took some washi tape. Now this one's a little different. This isn't like a paper washi tape. This is kind of have a plastic film on it, but you can use whatever you have. I'm going to just do a little tip in here that it just tips in to my Bible because like I said, I don't want to glue it down over my page here. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And then that way I can open it up, read it, and lay it back down. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do on this page is I'm going to label it because I think I'll put a new heart up here on my label, and I am going to put them back to back just like this. So I am going to adjust that, put this on right here, and you can write on it new heart. I think I'll use my labeler, but anyways, I will do that real quick and I will be done. So I love different die cuts. Illustrated Faith ones are really good. I love their Print and Pray shop too because you can download things digitally, which is very nice. And you can print those out, you can cut them, and then you can print them again and again and reuse them over and over, which these, of course, are one time only. Excuse me, I'm off frame. I'm just sticking this down on the top. Okay, I just laid it there, and now I've glued the other side. Oh, I didn't get all of it. And I'm going to do this on the back side. Make sure you don't come down too far and hide the words on this side of the page. So this is back to back. So I'll have something pretty on the front side of the Bible because most of mine are all showing when you open the Bible on the front. Oops, push it up a little bit more. There we go. And that way it's perfect on the other side. I didn't hide anything, and it looks good either side. So I'll come back and put a new heart right there, and I'll come back out so you can see the whole thing. This just will be a nice guidance reminder to me of what I learned on this devotional and into Ezekiel 36, where I've been working. Okay, so I hope that helps you today understand, how exactly can you use some of these neat die cuts from Illustrated Faith. Thank you for joining with me today, and I hope you have a blessed day.